Stock by say y'all boys, y'all girls. I'm sorry, I don't know why I did that. But finally got some Haitian food. Technically it's not plantation, it's in Lauderhill, but we had China Hut. Why is it called China Hut? I have no idea. Very misleading, but we finally got some Haitian food in Upper Broward. Let's just get straight into it. I got some tasso kabiri. You know what, let me stop. I got some fried goat and some fried chicken, even though it's obviously stupid, but let's just try it.
Big bite.
Definitely should have warmed it up. It's really good, I can't even cap. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Got some butter.
Big bite.
Butter a little old. Could be crispier. Could use a little bit of salt, but it is good. You gotta put a little pickles on it. That's pickle juice, but you get the point. Hold up, let me try that pickles by itself. The pickles is not super spicy. Not sweet, it's more savory, but it's very flavorful, I like it. Let's try the chicken. Super tender.
Big bite.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Almost forgot the sauce bar. As you can see, very smooth. This sauce bar tastes like stew peas, like Jamaican stew peas, if you know. You know what I'm talking about? Red bean soup. Overall, I'm gonna give this an 8.5. If you're in Lauderhill, Plantation, looking for some Haitian food, come check them out. Peace.